Hi, hello, welcome to HashLearn. I am Vandana, your math faculty. Children, we discussed binomial theorem and what is a general term, what is the independent term and all. Today we are going to discuss the JEE level problems. Let us start the class. Before starting the class, let us discuss the CPP question. The sum of last 30 coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 59 when expanded in ascending powers of x, ascending, not descending, ascending, increasing, okay. So, take the expansion 1 plus x whole power 59. Start writing from where I have to start, from 30th coefficient. So, 59C30, 59C31, like that, ascending order. Till where it will go? Till 59C59 it will go. Okay, now we know that NCR is equal to NCN minus R. 59 minus 30, I can write it as 59C29. Okay. Next, subtraction of these two, 28. Like that, 59 minus 59, the last term will be 59C0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. If I add both 1 and 2, I'll get 2s is equal to, right, in the reverse way, 5C0, 5C1, 5C2 and so on, 59C59. We knew that the sum of all the coefficients is 2 power n. We knew that, right? The sum of the binomial coefficients is NC0, NC1, NC2. The shortcut we already discussed. NCN is equal to 2 power n. So, based on this, here the n value is 59. I will get 2 power 59, but I want only s. So, if I send this 2 is equal to this side, it will divide. So, 2 power 59 by 2, I will get 2 power 58. So, which option is correct? Option D is correct. Clear, children? Yes. Today our goals are to discuss the problems, the JEE level problems on binomial theorem. Okay. Now, today you have to remember the shortcuts. See, if in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, if I say p and q terms are equal, these two terms are equal, then the condition, which condition it will follow is p plus q is equal to n plus 2. Okay, so this is the shortcut of finding the n value. Suppose if second term and third term are equal means, so 2 plus 3 is equal to n plus 2. So what is that? N is equal to 2 will get cancelled, n value is 3. This is the way of finding the n value. The next term is, I already told you this, NCR divided by NCN minus R, the continuous terms, whatever it is. See, 60C14 divided by, yes, Shubham Kumar, good afternoon. The continuous term, 60C13, 1 should be less. So, sorry, here what I wrote, R minus 1 it should be. Yes, it should be R minus 1. 1 should be less than whatever it is there in the numerator. The formula is n minus R plus 1 divided by R. So, that is here, which is R, children? This is your n, that is 60 minus R is 14 plus 1 by 14, like this. What is this? This, after solvation of this, you will get this. So, instead of all the calculation, you can go for the shortcut. Okay. Next, the very important shortcut is this. If 3 consecutive terms are making the ratio, if 3 consecutive terms, consecutive means what? The continuously coming term. Suppose 10th term, 11th term, 12th term. Continuously 3 terms are making the some ratio in the expansion of 1 plus x, whatever the expansion it is, 3 consecutive terms. Let us take those terms are a comma b comma c. Then to find the r value in that expansion, the shortcut is a into b plus c divided by b square minus ac. Rth term. To find the rth term, I am going to do one problem on this. That time you can understand. To find the n value is 2ac plus b into a plus c divided by b square minus ac. This is the way of finding the n value. So, without this you cannot solve the JEE level problems. So, these 3 are very important shortcuts. Please make a note of it. Okay. So, now let us start doing the questions. Very interesting question, children. If 27 whole power 999 is divisible by 7, if you divide this value with 7, then the remainder is, this is 2017 online question. Now, to find the remainder, usually we will use the binomial theorem. Remember, children. So, if you want to use the binomial, you need 2 terms. Isn't it? Binomial theorem expansion. For this, nearby 7th multiple, because they only said that it is divisible by 7. So, near to this number, which multiple will get? Yes, 7 4s are 28. Now, I can change the question as 28 minus 1 whole power 999. For my convenient, I am going to write this as, why I am going to change this, I will tell you, minus 1 plus 28, ulta I am writing, first I am writing this term and then the 28, whole power 999. Why I wrote, I will tell you. Now you expand, use the binomial expansion. NC0, that is 999C0. Next, a power n, that is minus 1 whole power 999, 28 whole power 0. Next term, 999C1 minus 1 whole power 998, 28 whole power 1. So, next term will be 99C2, no, minus 1 whole power 997, 28 whole square, and so on will come. Isn't it? If you want, you write the last term also, not an issue. 99C999 minus 1 whole power 999, 28 whole power 999. Now you observe, children, the interesting thing here. Why I change here? Because if this is the first term, I would have written 28 whole power because I want all the terms. If I made it the 1 as the first term, minus 1 whole power odd number, minus 1. So, I can easily estimate the value of this one. Because of that, I changed the terms. Now, you understood, right? Yes. Now, see here, after this term, everywhere you observe 28, 28, 28. So, obviously, from here to here, whatever the terms we have, this will be multiple of 7. Multiple of 7, isn't it? If it is a multiple of 7, obviously, this will be divisible by 7 also. Clear? But now, only this term is left out. So, this term will give you the remainder. This term only your remainder. Clear, children? Yes. Now, I told you NC0. So many times I told you NC0, whatever, 1000C0 also, it is 1 only. NC0, NCN, both are 1 only. So, this 999C0 is 1. Minus 1 whole power odd number. If you are multiplying minus 1 odd number of times, I will get minus 1. 28 whole power 0, it is 1. So, what is a remainder, children? Yes, minus 1 is a remainder. Are you heard about a negative remainder till now? Yes, we never heard about a negative remainder because this is a negative number. So, what we have to do? With the dividend, you have to subtract that. So, because this number is a negative number, subtract with the dividend. 7 minus 1, that is, the answer is 6. I hope this is clear to you people, right? Yes, let us go for the next question. So, this is also very interesting question, you see. 2017 online question, this is also. Now, by seeing the pattern itself, I understood. I can pair this as one set, this as one set. Let me write first. So, given 21C1 plus 21C2 plus 21C3 and so on, plus the last term is 21C10. Here everywhere for 10 minus is there. Please take out the minus common. Minus of 10C1 plus 10C2 plus so on plus 10C10. Just now while discussing the CPP question also, I told you the sum of the binomial coefficients like NC0, NC1, NC2, so on NCN. The sum of the binomial coefficients are 2 power n. See here, if you take this 10C0 plus 10C1 plus 10C2 and so on 10C10, no, the last term. So, obviously it is 2 power 10. But children, you observe here 10C0 is not there. 10C0 is not there. So, please send this 10C0 is equal to this side. What I will get? 10C1 plus 10C2 and so on. 10C10 can be written as 2 power 10 minus 1. Now, you write that over there. So, the second term becomes 2 power 10 minus 1. Now, you write this. What is there in the bracket? What we have in the bracket? 21C1 plus 21C2, so on. But usually we know the formula for 21C21. Ayushi Sinha. Yes, good afternoon Ayushi. 21C1 plus 21C2, so on 21C21. Just now I told you the shortcut, right? 2 power 21. But till where we have? Till 10 only we have. So, I am going to break this as 21C0 we forgot, right? Yes. 21C0. 21C0 plus 21C1, so on till 21C10 we have over there. Next term is 21C11, next term is 21C12 and so on, like that till where we have? We have 21C21, 2 power 21. This we knew. Now, children, look at here. This can be written as, I told you we learnt in the first class itself, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. We learned this. So, according to this, what is this? What we are doing? We are subtracting these two. So, 21C11. Subtract 21 minus 11. What we will get? We will get 21C10. So, what I am going to write, please observe, 21C0 plus 21C1, so on 21C10. From here onwards, once again 21C10 plus 21 minus 12. Yes, 21C9 plus 21C8 and so on. What is the last term, children? 21C0. Clear, children? Is equal to 2 power 21. Now look at here. 21C0, 21C0, 21C1, 21C1, the before term we will have. 21C10, 20, everything 2 terms are there. So I can write it as 2 into 21C0 plus 21C1, so on 21C10 can be written as 2 power 21. But I want only 21C0. From here onwards, I hope you can understand 21C10 is equal to 2 power 21 by 2. So, 1 cancel means 2 power 20 I will get. This is nothing but 2 power 20. But children, from here onwards only we have in your given question. So, 21C0 value is 1. So, you just send it to is equal to this side. So, whatever the bracket, the value of that is 2 power 20 minus 1. So, minus into minus it becomes plus, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. The answer is 2 power 20 minus 2 power 10. If you want, you can take out also. Sometimes they will do that also. So, the answer is 2 power 20 minus 2 power 10. Why we are explaining so much? Because I am giving reason for every step. But once if you know the reason, within 1 minute you have to solve this question. Clear, children? Yes. Next. Now, what is the previous class contest question? The sum of the odd coefficients. I gave you the shortcut. The sum of the odd coefficients formula is f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. So, that means wherever x is there, if you put x is equal to 1, you will get f of 1. Wherever x is there, you put x is equal to minus 1, you will get the value. So, then if you substitute, in that, you will get the answer as 48, I think so. So, there is no winner. Okay. Children, why? I don't know. I gave the shortcut also, but still you didn't answer for that. Now, get ready for today's contest question. Here goes your question. Very simple question I gave. If you are following my lecture from the starting, you can answer to this. Very simple question. Come back to the class. Yes. Next question is 2016 online question I took. Now, if the coefficients of x power minus 2 and x power minus 4 in the expansion of, it should be 1 by 3 children, x power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 3 whole power 18. What they are telling? These two coefficients are equal. So, let us start writing the general term. What is the general term? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r y power r. Now, substitute these values over there. If I apply, what I will get, children? N value, the power is n. So, 18CR, x means the first term. So, what is the first term over here? X power 1 by 3. N minus r. So, subtraction of this, that is 18 minus r. Y, that is 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 3 whole power r. Clear, right? So now you bring it to one side. 18cr x power, if you multiply these two, a power m whole power n is a power m into n. 18 minus r divided by 3 into 1 by 2 into r. If it goes to the numerator, x power minus 3r, r you can write it as r by 3. We can write like that also. Okay. Now bring the constants. This will get constant. This is also constant, isn't it? Now write all the variables one side. What I'll get in the TR plus 1 is equal to 18CR 1 by 2 whole power r, x power already 18 minus r by 3. This side also 1 r by 3 we have. So total how much I'll get? 18 minus 2 r by 3 I'll get. Now the given question, what they are telling? They are telling that x power, it is equal to x power minus 2. First you find out it is the coefficient of this term is equal to x power minus 2. Now you equate xx is equal 18 minus 2r divided by 3 is equal to minus 2. 18 minus 2r is equal to minus 6. Bring it to one side. 18 plus 6 is equal to 2r. 2r is how much? 24. Just a minute children, it's not writing. Just a minute. Yes. Children, see, x power minus 2 see, they are telling that x power minus 2 and x power minus 4 both are equal. So find out the general term and equate that x power whatever we have, equate to that term. Two cases we will get. One equating to minus and the other one equating to minus 4. Then I will get the value of r. Whatever the value I got, I will substitute in the general term. Okay. Yes children, let us start. So, which problem we were doing? Yes. Just a minute. So if you equate that, then we will get the r value and substitute in the this 1 by 3, right. So what is the general term? What we got? Let me write. TR plus 1 is 18CR 1 by 2 whole power r, x power 18 minus 2r by 3. So the first case is equating to minus 2, the second case is equating to minus 4. If you equate case 1, if you equate to minus 2, x power minus 2, you will get the r value as 12. 13th term. Next case 2. If you equate to x power minus 4, you will get the r value as 15. Okay. Now you substitute these values r and 15 in the given term. So T13 and T16 I will get. Now T16 and T13. wait, T16, R value I knew, right, that is 15. So 18 C 15, 1 by 2 whole power 15 x power minus 4. Next one is 18 C 12, 1 by 2 whole power 12 x power minus 2. What they said, children? They said that these two are equal. What they said, equal or m and n? Sorry, not equal. I have to find out m and n. M value is which is equate to x power minus 2. X power minus 4, if you equate, you take that as n. Then find out m by n. Okay. So, it is not equal. It should be m and it should be n. So, if you find out m by n as 18C12 by 12 power 12 by 18C15 divided by, sorry, not 12, right, it is 2 power 15. If you solve this, you will get the answer. You know, solving is very simple thing. You know NCR. What is the formula for NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Clear, children? Yes, you will get the answer as 182. Let us do the next question. This is also 2016 online question and interesting question. The value of this means what? This is nothing but summation. Sum means sum of the terms. Wherever r is there, you put r is equal to 1 to 15. I have to find out this answer. Before starting to the class itself, I discussed the shortcut like this. What is my shortcut, children? NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Continuous terms. Here r minus 1. But n value is what, children, here? 15. So, if you substitute, how much I will get? 15 minus r plus 1 by r. So, whatever the inside this box, I can directly write that as like this. Summation r is equal to 1 to 15 r square divided into 15 plus 1 is 16 minus r divided by r. Here r and square will get cancelled. The question is converted like this. Summation r is equal to 1 to 15 r into 16 minus r. Multiply 16r, r into r square. Summation r is equal to 1 to 15, 16r minus summation r is equal to 1 to 15 r square. We knew, children, the sum of n terms. Formula is what? Sum of n. We already knew the sum of n is n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of the squares formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N plus 2 by 6. Now substitute. Take out the 16 outside and write the formula. N value is 15. So 15 into 15 plus 1 is 16 by 2 minus, here n value is 15. 15 into 16. 16 into 17 by 6, right? Yes, 6. If you substitute, you know how to solve this. I am leaving it for you only. If you solve this, if you want me to solve, let me know. I will do that. Okay. If you solve this, you should get the answer as 680. So that will be your answer, right? So let us do the next question. Very interesting and important question. Children, listen. The term of independent of x. In this only I can expand the binomial expansion, but in front these terms also there. So this plays a very important role. How it plays an important role, let us see. Look at here. The question is, 1 minus 1 by x plus 3x power 5, okay, into, you apply the binomial theorem for these terms. What is the binomial theorem? NCR. What is the expansion? 8, right? So, 8CR, first term, 2x square whole power 8 minus r. Second term is minus 1 by x whole power r. Right? Next. 8CR, bring all the constants to one side, that is 2 power 8 minus r. Here also you just minus 1 is there, minus 1 whole power r. These are the coefficients. Now start writing the variables. X square, right? 2 into 8, that is 16 minus 2r. If it comes to the numerator, x power minus 1 whole power r. So, it is minus r. Right? Now, in front 1 minus 1 by x plus 3. Just a minute, children. Wait. Next. Yes, we are doing the fifth problem, right? Just a minute. Yes, this is what we are doing. I told you, right? 1 minus 1 by x plus 3x power 5 into binomial expansion is 8CR. First, let me write this 2 power 8 minus r. All the constant I am going to write one side, minus 1 whole power r. So, x power, I told you the binomial expansion, if you multiply 2 into 8 minus r you will get. This is your general term. Now look at here, 8CR 2 power 8 minus r minus 1 whole power r, multiply 16 minus 3r into 1 minus 1 by x plus 3x power 5. Now children, what I want? Independent of x. What is the meaning of independent of x? That is, if you multiply, you should not get any x value, right? So, if you are multiplying this with this, that means for this term I am writing the coefficient. What term? When 1 is there, with what term I will get independent term? If it is already a constant, if I multiply with 1, then I will get a constant term. So, that term is called independent term. So, whatever the multiplication, the coefficient, this side multiplication, whatever is going to happen, there the coefficient of x must be x power 0. Already it should be a one constant. Then only if you multiply with 1, I will get the term independent term. Next, very important. Otherwise, I will write in the next page. Next, coefficient of minus 1 by x. Where I will get? When I will get that? If I multiply like this. See, already minus 1 by x is there. Suppose, just imagine 20x, then xx will get cancelled. That minus 20 will become as a independent term, isn't it? So, here the coefficient of minus x, the coefficient of minus 1 by x means, with what term I have to multiply? Minus 1 into x already. If x is there, that x, this x will get cancelled. Next, coefficient of next term is what, children? 3x power 5. That is, if you multiply 3 into x power minus 5 term is there, then it will get cancelled. I will get term independent. Why I did this? I will tell you. Now you compare this. For the independent term, the power should be 0. That you equate to 0. First case, case 1. If you want to multiply with 1, already you require one constant. That means that 16 minus 3r must be equal to 0. If you equate to 0, I will get 16 minus 3r, is equal to 3r, r is equal to 16 by 3. Clear, children? But it is not a integer. Not a integer. So, it is not happening. So, it is not possible. So, that means in that expansion, I am not going to get any constant. All with the x terms only I am going to get. That is the meaning of that. Next, case 2. 16 minus 3r must be equal to what? It should be equal to what term I want? Yes, 1. So, now you just equate 16 minus 1 is equal to 3r, 15 is equal to 3r, r is equal to 5. Right? Next, case 3. Here it should be equal to minus 5. 16 minus 3r is equal to minus 5. Bring it to this side. 16 minus 5, 21 is equal to 3r, r is equal to 7. Now you substitute in the given expansion. That means here in this expansion we are going to substitute. Let us substitute, children. First one is not possible. So, r value is 5. 8c5 2 power a n minus r, that is 2 cube minus 1 whole cube. So, I will get minus over there, right? Next, plus the next term r is equal to 7. That also you substitute 8c7. But don't forget to write this, the coefficient of this. So, this coefficient is minus 1 and this expansion. Now, 8c7, next 2 power 8 minus 7, that is 1, 2 power 1, next minus 1 whole power 7 into 3. Clear, children? So, the coefficient also you should write, okay. So, this, if you solve this, we will get the answer. I hope you understood this. Clear, children? Next. This is also very interesting question, but we discussed the shortcut for this, isn't it? Yes. If the coefficients of 3 successive terms in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in the ratio of 1:7:42. Usually how to do? First, usually we have to find the general term. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR. What is the first term? 1 power n minus r x power r. And the previous term is, suppose if it is TR, rth term, NCR minus 1 whole power n minus r plus 1 x power r minus 1. This is the first term, equation number 1. This is equation number 2, and TR plus second term will be NCR r plus 1 minus 1 n minus r minus 1 x power r plus 1. This is equation number 3. Usually how we will do, that is 1 divided by 2 we will take. That whole equation we will write divided by whole equation. And what is the first 2 ratio? 1:7 ratio. We will write it as 1 by 7 and then we will cross multiply. We will get one equation as 4. The first equation as 4. Next what we will do? We will do 2 divided by 3. The whole equation here also and here also. The ratio is 7 by 42. Do the cross multiplication, 7 ones are, 7 6 are, and then do the cross multiplication. You will get one equation over here and take that as 5. If you solve 4 and 5, we will get the r value. And then substitute that r value in the given equation, we will get n. So obviously 100% it will take more than 3 to 4 minutes, however fast you are. If you don't know the shortcut, you cannot do this problem. So that is the reason why what I said, when A, B, C are consecutive terms, if it is making some ratio, whatever the ratio it is, okay, if it is making some ratio, the formula for R is A into B plus C divided by B square minus AC to find the rth term. If they are asking the nth term, that is 2BC plus, sorry, 2AC, right? 2AC plus B into A plus C divided by B square minus AC. I know it is a little difficult, but you have to by heart, otherwise you cannot complete within 1 minute, right? So let us apply the values. Here what they gave, consecutive terms, TR is to TR plus 1 is to TR plus 2. What ratio? 1:7:42. So that means these 3 terms are in which ratio? ABC ratio. So this is A is to B is to C. Now my A value is 1, B value is 7 and C value is 42. What we want? We want the nth term. Here they did not ask for the R value. They want which term? N value, whole power what? Right? So substitute in n. That is n is equal to 2 into A value, 1 into B. Not, it is AC, right? C value is 42. Plus B into 7 into A plus C, 1 plus 42 divided by B square, that is 49 minus 40, AC is 42. Now solve. So 484 plus 43 into 7, then 49 minus 42, it is 7. Okay. If you solve this, 12 plus, here also take out 7 and cancel it, you will get 12 plus 43, that 55 you will get. You will get the n value as 55. So within 30 seconds we can able to find out the n value, isn't it? If they ask for R, you just substitute in this formula, we will get the R value, right? Yes children. Today we discussed problems on binomial theorem and we learned the shortcuts also. Yes. So next, in the CPP children, thanks for joining with us. In the CPP, different types of questions and the shortcuts also I discussed. So don't forget to solve those questions. I am seeing some people don't have the passport. If you want to upgrade yourself, please take the passport. Okay. So passport users, right away you can start solving the questions. All the best to you.